Hello everyone. In this video we are going to see to create a project and use the necessary jar for automation testing. So to create any automation project, we have to first create a simple project in Eclipse IDE. So here we select Java project, we'll click on next and the name of project. We'll see here Selenium underscore automation web, and we'll select here default JRE. We'll click on next. Here it will create a source. Inside this source, all the Java class and appropriate jars is going to be located. So we'll select SRC as default. We'll go in a project, nothing to do in that tab. And here we have to include other library as well. So already we can see JRE library is there. So let's add an external jar. So as of now, we are doing Selenium automation. So we have to say Selenium server standalone jar. So it will just import it. Now we have to add another library, that is TestNG. So we'll click on finish. So here it will get added. And in this way, we can see a lot of libraries already there. So that's it. So just click on finish. Okay. So this is how it's look like. We have here JRE library. We have here Selenium 3.3, and we have TestNG. And here we can see, as of now, no Java project is created. So to create an Java, so we'll say new. So basically, this project is created, but we have not created so far any classes. So we'll say new class, and here I will just use the same name for our class name. We will say Selenium automation web. So we'll select here public static void main, and we'll give a finish. So now this is a complete project, because the project should contain the package and it should contain the class. So now we have this square is our package. So we're not given any package name, so that's the reason it's showing us default package. And the class name is Selenium automation underscore web dot Java. So inside this class is created, and the main function is got created. So inside this class and main function, we are going to write our automation code. So that automation code going to do the testing, web testing, and further we are gonna use the TestNG to convert this code into the XML, and from that XML we're gonna create another script, that is a batch script, and from that batch script we are gonna run our automation using Jenkins. So in next video we'll see to write a code using Selenium and do the automation testing. Thank you.